A few moments ago.
Okay, medyo napaga yung dating namin. Sinabi ni Madam Liza ay 4:30 pa daw. Wala tayong magawa. So, Iris and I will be staying in 7-Eleven kami muna.
A few moments later.
Barangay Takuling Linasan Festival. Linasan Festival.
This is our working team. Upod na ta ang tagsa-tagsa naton katakulenyo. Hambang nila 40,000 population naton sa Barangay Takuling. Nag-upod kag nag-celebrate sa atong Cebu na hapon. No? So mayong hapon, by the power and authority basta dapan ni asya po ng barangay, I hereby declare this heart of every Takulenyo Solidarity Day Fifth Lechon Manok Grilling open. Let's count up to 5. Mag-grill tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's start the Lechon Manok Grilling open on 5.
Nawulawan ang among yaani, maghumagas sa among pangabuhi. Linasan sang humay sa among pangabudlay, hugasin na ang boy na mga lipay.
And guys, we're back here sa Barangay Takuling and we have with us again our Barangay Captain and likewise Kagawad ng Bacolod. We have Lady Captain, Ma'am Gonzales. Ma'am, congratulations!
Hello! Welcome to the 5th Linasan Festival of Barangay Takuling.
Meet my new co-host, Iris. Oh, then, anong tanong mo?
Ayan, first gusto ko nang batian sila na congratulations po on the 5th year of Linasan Festival. So, a lot of people came here. Ako, it's my first time and grabe, nagugutom na ako sa inasal.
Amoy pa lang si Bata, usok pa lang.
Ano po ba yung pinaka-highlight nitong festival na to? If people will came, ano yung ine-expect nila na gusto ninyong pag-uwi nila na yun yung tatatak talaga sa utak nila about Linasan Festival?
Yes, so since Linasan Festival talks about yung Linasan is from yung ano niyan is yung Barangay Takuling is dati rice field ito. So when you remove the grain, you need to linas, no? So that's linasan.
Doon
So
galing yung linasan.
yes, and mostly yung mga ancestors natin Barangay Takuling are farmers na Humayan farmers, no? So then yung ano natin is prior yung nagre-research pa lang tayo what the festival would be the best name for Barangay Takuling. Nag-ano kami ng lechon manok grilling as a part of Solidarity Day wherein yung mga purok at mga subdivisions, mga sectoral groups ng Barangay Takuling nakikita. Nag-grill na kanilang lechon manok.
Nakita ko nga po.
At as part of na rin camaraderie na magkakilala yung mga ibang subdivision at provoks natin.
Wow. So, ayan. Congratulations ba, Kap? Pero meron po akong tanong, if there's one word that will describe Linasan Festival, ano po yun? One word?
One word, it's the heartbeat of every Takulenyo.
Wow. Ayan. So, Sa heartbeat.
Yeah, heartbeat. Kasi all the things that we do and yung mga napakikinggan natin. Heartbeat is pitik in Ilonggo. So pitik ng taga-barangay Takulong, yun ang pinakikinggan natin kung ano yung mga gagawin natin for them. At the same way, yung pitik ng ginagawa namin, I hope na-feel din ng taga-barangay Takulong. That is why heartbeat.
Wow. Any message po for our people here in Barangay Takuling? And of course, dun sa mga naiintriga at saka naku-curious, ano ba yung Linasan Festival? So, any message muna for sa mga taga-Barangay Takuling, and second message dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-experience ng Linasan Festival.
Yes, no. So of course, sa ating mga constituents, sa ating mga pinalangga na taga-Barangay Takuling, thank you for your cooperation and for your presence. It's a one week long activity. Nagkasaya na mayroon din nalungkot, hindi nanalo sa raffle, but at least last Sunday, meron kaming one for all for one, so goodbye. That was last Sunday, no? So but napakita natin how Barangay Takuling people unites, no? In times of joy, kagaya ng Linasan Festival, and of course during the time of when they needed it most, no? So pagkakaisa ng taga-Barangay Takuling at ipinapakita how Barangay Takuling unites as one.
Wow. Any message for people na hindi pa na-experience ang Barangay Linasan Festival?
Yes,
We wanted to invite them.
Yes, next year maybe our 6th Linasan Festival. So everybody is welcome, no? Most especially sa ating Solidarity Day, wherein you can see the 28 Pooks and 18 subdivisions and sectoral groups of Barangay Takuling, no? Nagluluto na kanilang recipe ang lechon manok, no? And of course, nakikita natin yung mga talento ng taga-Barangay Takuling, and we will see how the vibe here in Barangay Takuling.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Our Barangay Captain, Lady Gonzales.
Thank you.
Linasan Festival.
Hi, ayan! Again, nandito tayo sa pwesto ng mga taga Bureau of Fire. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman yung mga manok na inihaw. Ako excited akong tikman, pero ano ba yung experience and pinaka-highlight sa inyo na itong event? Anong name niyo, sir?
Ako po si FO2 Eric Acuesta, ma'am.
Okay, good evening, Sir Eric. Sir Eric, ano ba yung special ingredient nitong niluluto natin ngayon? Kung meron isang special ingredient habang niluluto nyo, ano yun?
Siguro ma'am, yung pagmamahal.
Wow, pagmamahal!
Kasi simple lang po yung ginamit dito eh. Pati toyo, suka, at tapos yung mga bawang, tapos mga onions, yung ganun. Wala namang special. Pagmamahal lang.
Pagmamahal lang
sa trabaho.
talaga.
At sa community.
Gusto ko yan. Kaya ramdam na ramdam ko yung init kasi Bureau of Fire to eh. So, ang hot dito. Ayun, so, anyway, ayan, mamaya abangan natin. Madami pa tayong mga titingnan dito. Ayan, so, ayan sila, sir, nag-iihaw. Diba? Ayan, sige. Thank you, sir. Ayan, dito muna tayo sa kabila. Ayan, good evening, sir. Pwede po ba kayong matanong? Isang tanong lang. Anong name niyo, sir?
Bernard Mondragon po, ma'am.
From anong department po tayo?
Ma'am.
From anong department po ng ano?
605 CDC. RIB and Radio Shop Infantry, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Kung merong isang special ingredient sa niluluto natin ngayon, ano yun?
Yes po, ma'am. Ito po ay taon-taon po ginagawa ng Barangay Takuling. Nagluluto po kami ng inasal, best inasal, grill inasal.
Ano yung pinaka-main ingredient na special dito sa manok natin ngayon?
Simple lang po, ma'am. Mga toyo, alabansi, like sa bawang, bumbay, at saka lemongrass po.
Okay, kasi kanina sabi ni Sir Bureau of Fire, pagmamahal daw yung special ingredient nung sa kanila eh. Yung sa inyo, ganun din ba, pagmamahal? So, grabe talagang ramdam na ramdam yung pagmamahal pag kinain to.
So, hindi pa po nakapabisyat dito sa Takuling. Pwede po kayo pumunta dito. Napakasaya po at enjoy po kami sa aming pagluluto. Napakasarap po ng aming inasal dito sa Takuling.
Salamat, sir. Maraming salamat po.
again, we're back here sa Barangay Takuling, and we have with us our SK Chairwoman, Bea Krisha Pabular. Mom, Bea, how are you?
Hello, Sir Halboy. Hello again. Hello, everyone. I'm good. Hello, Miss Irene.
Yes, and also may co-host ko subong from Manila, Iris Dayan.
Congratulations on your 5th Linasan Festival. So, ako first time ko kasi to eh. So, ano ba yung expect ng tao na pag pumupunta sila ng Linasan Festival, main event and pinaka-highlight na gusto mong makita nila?
Okay. So, yung pinaka-highlight po kasi yung, of course, ang live band, hindi yan mawawala. And of course, the Lechon Manok Grilling. It's a tradition here in Barangay Takuling. And of course, later on, so for the highlights, we have our powder party for the youth and for every Takulanyo here in Barangay Takuling.
Okay, kung merong one word that will describe Linasan Festival, one word, ano yun?
One word, happiness siguro. Kasi yun yung, ito yung time na nag-unite po yung lahat ng Takulenyo dito sa Barangay Takuling. And of course, we're all happy to be here.
Ako din, I'm very happy na I was able to attend your festival and congratulations on the successful event, and mamaya madami pa tayong aabangan. So, ayun, stay tuned kayo at saka sa mga viewers na makakapanood na tong video na to. What would you want to say? Any message for them, especially dun sa mga wala pang idea at never pa nila na-experience yung Linasan Festival?
Hello everyone. So, this is our 5th Linasan Festival, and of course, next year, hopefully, we're inviting you all to come here and witness our very, very exciting and a lot of activities nga festival. And of course, na everyone is welcome here. Hindi lang ni for Takulenyos, but of course, everyone here in Bacolod City and and kahit saang ng Pilipinas.
Ayan, so again, thank you, Miss Bea, our SK Chairwoman ng Barangay Takuling. So, stay tuned, guys.
Linasan Festival.
Great job, you nailed it. Kain muna kami. Hindi na pa yung ikot-ikot ni Iris na picture. Okay, dinner time. And Friday, nakaupo na rin. Kanina pa kami ganyan. Kanina pa kami nakatayo sa daan ng Takuling. Ito naman yung favorite lechon ni Iris. Okay, tuloy na namin to. Okay, yan lang muna kayo. Well, okay. So there you have it, mga ka-viewers. Our today's video, the 5th Linasan Festival of Barangay Takuling. Salamat sigid sa aton nga pinilangga nga Barangay Captain Lady Gonzales and SK Chairwoman Bea Krisha. Kag sa pamuluyo, salamat gid kag na pagbigyan yung inyong Hellboy for Vlogger sa mga pitik. And most especially sa akong new co-host na si Irene Dayan. Your effort is highly appreciated, kid, Ma'am Irish. So till next time, I hope to see you next event. Again, enjoy lang tayo dyan, and God bless us all. Party now!
Makalipay, galing na sa Linasan Festival.
Linasan Festival.